Brazilian lemonade. It's zingy, sweet and creamy, and it has a complete identity disorder because it's actually made with limes. Firstly, give that subscribe button a good dry slap. Before kicking off the proceedings, I've had a brief hiatus this summer, and as a result, the UK has turned into an absolute mess. So if you're causing trouble, I suggest you shut up, sit down and behave yourselves. Secondly, the government better not try to screw over the nighttime economies with taxation and nanification laws. We'll see how this rolls this autumn. This is a really simple non-alcoholic drink, but if you want to turn it up a notch, I suggest you add 2 ounces of cachaca or a Spanish style rum. Apologies on my pronunciation there. The ingredient lineup is limes, water and condensed milk. Ironically, these tiny limes are from Brazil. Don't get angry with me, the Green Brigade, as limes don't grow in the UK. As they're small, I'm going to top and tail the ends and then slice them up into quarters. If you're worried about this being bitter, I suggest you zest them and remove the pith. And yes, before you start, I know this knife needs sharpening. Okay, and you want to add 24 ounces, so that's 700ml of water along with your limes into the blender and give these a good blend. But don't go too crazy, we're not making a smoothie, and if you blend them to oblivion, it can make the lemonade bitter. History wise, it was thought to have been invented by a street vendor in the Brazilian state of Minas Gerais. Strain the contents of the blender into a bowl or a jug, and if you spot any pieces, don't be afraid to restrain. I did try to make this a couple of weeks ago with an immersion blender, and my kitchen resembled the outside of a nightclub which is next door to a kebab shop. Pour this back into your blender and then add your condensed milk. I'm adding about 3/4 of this can, so that'll be around 10 ounces, that's 300ml. If you like it sweeter, add some more. Then give this a good blend. Then pour this into a glass and add some ice and garnish with a lime wheel. The taste test. This is a good drink, creamy and sweet. The lime is okay, it's not too bitter for me at all. Although some people think that if you leave the drink for too long, it can get bitterer. But I don't know how true that is. But I do feel my dentist will reprimand me when I visit her next week.